Yes. Yes.
So then it gives you an announcement. You are live. So now we're streaming live. If you click that link that I shared, that I had before, and you went on that link, you could see me live on YouTube right now.
Okay, now, Steve, question.
Yes.
Okay, so we're having Juneteenth, and we told everybody that we want them to click on live at 1 o'clock.
Right.
How do we give them the link? How do they get live?
So the way that you get the link for your live is a little trick, and we send it. There's a string that says YouTube with your channel, and then there's a long string that identifies you with a comma after it. Well, if you take that string and put it into this URL, and I'll show it to you here real quick. Give me one moment.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on, where you at?
Could somebody accidentally bump into you right now and see you live?
Yeah, if they were searching for it, because it would be accident,
Right.
they could be searching for something. And since in that privacy setting I made it searchable, public, they can
Right.
find me that way.
Yeah, if they happen to be searching and say Juneteenth, they might find it.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So come here. I'll show you. If you look right here, you see the screen. I'll bring up the notepad. And here's an example what the link looks like. You have the identifier, which is security, youtube.com, and then channel. So that looks at everybody's channel. Remember when I said in that part when you come in, your channel's right there? That says, okay, look at the channel. Now, your channel ID, who you are, is this long number. And I'll show you how to get that off of YouTube. You get that off of YouTube and your channel ID, and you copy that long number and you put it behind channel. And then you put /live, right? So this channel ID is my channel. This is who I am, right? And you just squeeze that in between these URLs. We have done it. We sent out an email on how to do it, and I'll resend it out. We'll resend it out again, okay? And we'll tell you how to get your channel ID. How do you get your channel ID? You go to YouTube. You go to YouTube, and then you click over here when it comes up. My machine is dragging. Come on, baby. Let's go. I got a virtual machine running someplace. Okay.
Hey, Steve, are you able to close that dialogue box with Stephanie, 8:15 p.m.?
Stephanie and Michael are blocking us.
Who?
Stephanie and Michael are blocking us from seeing the right. They have chats up right on the where you're trying to show us. Stephanie and Michael. Can they get that off of there?
How's that? Is that better?
No, they're still there. I still see them. Stephanie. It's like a chat box. Stephanie has.
I'm gonna go over to the chat and see if we can close it.
Hold on, I just closed the chat.
Okay, it's gone now on my screen.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So when you go in, can you see my YouTube channel now? The YouTube page?
Yes.
Okay. So you see it says live right now. So if you were to look at my page, it would say I'm live right now.
Right? Where does it say live?
So look under that. You look under my page right there. It says my YouTube video for Juneteenth Technology live.
Right.
With one person watching. Right?
Right.
Okay, so you want to figure out what your channel ID is. You click down here and you go to your channel. You click on the right landing page and you go to under your picture or your initials, right? And you go your channel. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go down to settings.
Settings.
Settings. Then you go to advanced settings. And you'll see right here, it has your user, under advanced settings, it has your user ID, your channel ID, and then how to customize your URL. So after you get 100 likes on your channel, you can customize this URL. So you can, for your channel ID, right? So if you say you wanted to say, my channel ID is Juneteenth, Maryland, right? You can change that once you get enough people to like your channel. That means you have followers and subscribers to your channel, and they will allow you to customize it. So like for your case, Michael, if you want to do one for your particular troop or the Nation of Buffalo Soldiers, if you got it, you can go ahead and customize your channel ID. Else, you can just copy your channel ID, right, to the clipboard, right, and then you paste it right there in the middle, okay? And when you paste right there in the middle, that's my channel ID. And now when you go, watch this. Now when you go and you take that and you make a hyperlink on your web page, a link on your web page, you take that whole thing, and anytime you go live, when somebody clicks on that link, right, it takes you right to your live streaming.
Awesome. Okay.
So no matter what time you schedule it, no matter what you do, hold on a second, Carl. Carl?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Yeah, go ahead. I heard you, saw you talking.
Okay. Oh, well, I didn't see anything. Okay, question. Now, when you say customizing, so once we get 100 subscribers or more, we can just insert our logo for a long identification thing, and we can always show that, so they'll know that's our channel.
So yeah, you can insert your logo before you get to 100 users. But what you can change when you get to 100 users is the URL. So instead of having this long number down here, instead of having this long number down here, you could put, Juneteenth, Ohio. And so now people will find you a lot easier because it shows up in the search engines. Right now, they're going to search your titles.
Whereas right now we have a logo, you can just put that logo there instead of the long.
No, you can put if your logo. You mean, what do you mean by logo?
We have a triangle, and in there it says Association of African American Cultural Gardens, and then the codes on it.
So you would put, so instead of having this long channel ID, you would have African American Cultural Garden. Right? You would put that. It wouldn't be your logo. You can upload and customize up here and put that up right away. So when they come to your channel, they see your logo. But as far as the name, the name search, you have to go through this. So if you change that, if you were to change this name right here, for example, right?
But I tried reaching you today. I typed that in here.
All right. So if you were to take that name right there, instead of having this long name right here, right, you would have in here. You would have Juneteenth, Nevada. Well, almost, if I can typo. You would have Juneteenth, Nevada /live. So that means people can go into the channel and search Juneteenth, Nevada, right, under live channel on YouTube, and they will find you just by searching your name, okay? But that's only after you get 100 subscribers and you show that you have some forward momentum, okay? And then you get more rewards as far as search rankings and capabilities when you get to 1,000 subscribers. So that's what everybody wants you to subscribe and like the video. Now, here's what happens. You take this link right here, and if we either click good, copy it, we go right here, and I was just to paste it. Let's go incognito, just so there's no doubt. Everybody see the incognito screen? Okay, I'm going to paste the link up here in the comments afterwards, okay? But if I go right here and you can go, I paste the link, I paste and go to it. Okay. I don't know why my machine is moving so slow. It must still be stuck in the wrong time zone.
So Steve, I've been teleworking, and this has been happening with me all week. I realize today is just Tuesday. This has been happening since like Sunday night, Monday. In I mean, even with my Outlook, I can sit and watch it spin for a little while.
So that's the link. That's the live link. And so I'll put it up here. Yeah, you know, I'm working on that mutually agreed norms for routing security, and that's what this is. It's a whoops. It is a and I heard about it, but I've been out of town for the last week. And so I put the link in there. So if you were to click on the link in the chat box, right, it will take you directly to my live broadcast. So anytime you have that, you can put that hyperlink on your web page, and then you can stream live to your channel, and people can go right there. The great thing about this is this will also work with Juneteenth TV. This URL I can suck into Juneteenth TV, and then when they switch to your channel, it'll take you right to where you're live at. So it's a switcher. Okay.
Okay, so I'm just saying, if we don't have 100 subscribers, we can put that link a week ahead of time or whatever,
right,
and have everybody know that's the link to click on.
All right. Yeah. So then. Now, when you get finished, you've done your live stream, right? You've done everything else, and it's pretty straightforward. And when people go on, you tell them to subscribe and like below. They can chat with you. You can see the chat window right here. And you can interact with them. So now, when you get finished, you can mute yourself right here, and here is what they call the specific forward, right? And this is per each event. So you can use that. It's just complicated. Don't worry about sending that out. Use the method that I showed you, and it'll always work with what you're live with, okay? So then you click end stream. Okay, are you sure you want to end your stream? You can say not yet, or you can click end.